limit x tends to 2 sin of x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b by square root of x minus 1 minus 1 log of x minus 1 is equal to m. Then a plus b plus m is what we should find. Okay, first of all we can check it. When you substitute directly in the place of x as 2 is what happened. When you substitute in the place of x as 2, denominator observe, root over 2 minus 1 means 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and log of 2 minus 1 is log 1, this is also 0. So denominator is 0 coming, then compulsory numerator also definitely should be 0, then only we will get the finite result. Okay, so when you substitute in the place of x as 2, the result completely should be 0. So for 0 angle only, sign apply means we will get 0, so that this complete inside value must be 0. When you substitute in the place of x as 2, 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 5 is 20, plus 2a plus b, it must be 0. So from this 2a plus b is equal to 8 minus 20 is minus 12. When you bring right side, it will be plus 12. It is the one of the relation between a and b. Next, we'll simplify now this limit. Observe, limit x tends to 2 is there. Now sin x model only now. So sin x by x means when you are applying limit x tends to 0, we have the formula limit x tends to 0, sin x by x means 1 now. Let's create like this now. X tends to 2 is there, right? Okay, now here sin of x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b in angle. The same thing we want even in denominator. For the purpose we can multiply and divide once. X cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b, then x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b, we can multiply and divide it like this. Now we can observe clearly, when you substitute in the place of x as 2, it will be 0, even denominator also 0. So the same model coming, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. The same formula we can apply here. Limit x tends to 2, sin of x by this complete value will be 1. Okay, now in denominator we can do the rationalization for this. So root over x minus 1 minus 1, if you are multiplying and dividing with root over x minus 1 plus 1, so we will get x minus 1 root whole square minus 1 by square root of x minus 1 plus 1 we will get. And here log of x minus 2 form we want to get it, right? So for the purpose x minus 2 plus 1 we can write. So it is look like log of 1 plus x model. So we want denominator is also x, so multiply and divide with 1 x minus 2. Clear everything? Now we can apply directly limits we can observe. So this is the part completely will be 1, because this is the formula we can apply. So it will be 1. And this part we are not applying as of now limit. So limit keep it as it is. Limit x tends to 2. This part keep it as it is. X cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b. Okay, that is the numerator part. By denominator law, square and root is cancelled. Now you got it here 1 x minus 2. Here already one more x minus 2 is there. So here it will be x minus 2 whole square. Okay, fine. And here if you substitute in the place of x as 2 means root over 2 minus 1 is what? 1 only. Root 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here by 2 we will get. And here log of 1 plus x by x model, no, we have one more formula like this. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x value is also 1 only. Na? So this is the formula we can apply here, so that the entire result will be 1. Okay, now this is the one we are going to calculate. When you substitute in the place of x as to numerator is 0 and denominator also 0 coming, so we can apply L hospital rule. Here what happened, you see, limit x tends to 2, this denominator 2 we can take to numerator, and if you are applying the differentiation for the numerator part, we will get 3x square minus 10x plus a, and in denominator what we will get, 2 times of x minus 2, and chain rule is again 1 only, so 2 and 2 is cancelled. Now if you substitute in the place of x as to denominator 0, then compulsory numerator also must be 0. When you substitute in the place of x as to, what happened, you see, in the place of x0 substitute, sorry, in the place of x2 substitute. So 2 square is 4, 4 3 is 12, minus 2 10s are 20, plus a is must be 0. So what happened now, a value 12 minus 20 minus 8, when you bring to right side it will be plus 8. So a value we found it, that is the 8. Okay, next we can see, so it is again LH rule we can apply, L hospital rule, because numerator is 0, denominator is 0 coming. So what happened now, limit x tends to 2, when you do the differentiation for the numerator, we will get what, 6x minus 10, and denominator is 1 only, no. So like this we will get. Now if you are substituting in the place of x as 2, what will 6 2 is 12, 12 minus 10 is 2 we will get, that is the value is what, m actually. So m value is finally what we got now, 2. So we found it here a value and m value. This a value if you substitute in this equation 1, we will get the value of b. A value is 8, right? 2 8s are 16. So 12 minus 16 is minus 4. So b value we will get it as what? Minus 4. So b value is minus 4. We got it. So we found a value, b value and m value. Finally we have to add all these three. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 we will get. So finally a plus b plus m value is 8 minus 4 plus 2. So it will be 6. So option 2.